So you're thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure you're going to get the best return on your investment. These tips should help. I know selling homes is second nature to me as I've been doing it for years, but I get nervous Nelly sellers all the time. And of course you're nervous, it's a big deal. Well, let's talk about curb appeal. This is important as it's the first impression your buyer is going to have when they arrive at your home. The best thing you can do is either to rent a power washer or to have someone come and do it for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, sidewalk, and your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open a lockbox, and then this gives a buyer a chance to really look at your entryway while they're waiting. Take a moment or two to make sure there isn't any peeling paint on the door or any cobwebs around the light fixtures. Next is to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyers' agents said that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the best features of your home to any prospective buyers. Also, research shows that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. Another tip here is now that you've gotten your home ready, you're gonna wanna get professional photos of your home. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online, so professional photos are a must. Last, now that your home is all ready for your buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time, and you need to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice. A few things you can do is to plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to bring your pets during your showings. Maybe family or some good friends will volunteer to take care of them. These steps will help you in selling your home faster and for more money. For more information, feel free to call me or text me anytime. We're Home by Tristen. We are your San Diego 92025 and North County, San Diego, and entire county real estate experts. And remember, your home, your family is my priority.